Hello student, welcome to the class. In the last class we have discussed few question of the word problem and it is the various types of problem we will have. So we have to continue again. Now in the second class we are doing this one. See, some question we will like to discuss now today also. First of all, one question they could just read the question again. Question number 14 if you want to see what it is saying. The difference of two natural number is 3. Difference of two natural number is 3 means suppose if one is 12, so other number may be 9, then also difference 3, or other number may be 15, then also 15 minus 12 also 3. So in which way you are thinking, according to that the equation will come. So suppose if first one you have taken larger x and second number suppose x minus 3, then the equation will be changed, equation will be arranged in this form. So let's suppose that's one. Let the two numbers be natural numbers. Two numbers be x and x minus 3. Then second part is what? Difference of their reciprocal. That is very important. If it is sum is not the matter which one we are writing first. But if you have the difference, that is very important which we are writing first. Just suppose you are having two number, for example 12 and 15. That difference 15 minus 12 is you are having that. But difference of the reciprocal, so reciprocal 1 by 12 and 1 by 15. So out of these two, 1 by 12 and 1 by 15, which one is the larger? 1 by 12 is the larger. जिसका denominator कम है, that one will be the larger. That means in these two, x and x minus 3, so x is larger, x minus 3 is the smaller. But reciprocal form if you think, then 1 by x minus 3 will be larger and 1 by x will be the smaller. And since it is given, the difference of their reciprocal is, in the question it is given 3 by 28. So we should write, that is very important, which one to be written first. If it is sum, so no problem. Which one you are writing 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 is not the matter. But difference means 3 minus 2 and 2 minus 3 are the different things. So that's why larger one means 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 28. Then simplify as it is the quadratic equation form. It will be x minus minus plus 3 equal to 3 by 28. Check, x will be cancelled. Ultimately this 3 also will be cancelled. So if you do the cross multiplication, you will get x square minus 3x equal to 28, or x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 0. 28. Product is minus. Break in two parts such that their difference will be 3. So what we can say? 7 4s are 28. So minus 7 plus 4. That means you can get x minus 7 and x plus 4 factorization you will get. But x is what? X is the natural number. So since that does not belong to the natural number, so what we can say? The required number will be 7 and 7 minus 3, मतलब 4. Therefore, two numbers or the required numbers are 7 and 4. So in this way, we can do this type of problems. Okay? So various types of questions we will have. Then we have to discuss this type of problems also. Just a question number 23. In this type of various problems you will get. Suppose divide 16 into two parts. So if we have taken one is x, the other one हो जाएगा 16 minus x. And then the condition wise you have to go. In this way, another type of question, that is the question number 22. Types we like to discuss. So it will be what? The difference of the squares of two natural number is 45. Difference of the squares of two natural number is 45 and the squares of the smaller number is 4 times the larger number. What we are saying there, যে it is ultimately you have to convert into the one variable quadratic equation, but some question it will be easy to express with the help of the two variable, and ultimately one variable will be converted. Just this type of question, जो what we are saying, the question number 22, इसको यदि हम लोग देखें, then we can get that type of problem. The two variable, if we think, once more read the question carefully. The difference of the squares of two natural number is 45, and the squares of the smaller number is 4 times the longer number. Means two numbers you are having. One is the smaller number, another one is the larger number. In that respect we can get also, that is question number 22. Larger number bx and smaller number by. Then one by one you have to go. Two variable we have taken, means two equations, two condition to be obtained, so that you can solve. क्या है? What's the question? The difference of the squares of two natural number. So automatically larger one square will be larger. That is equal to, you are having 45. Suppose it is number 1, and the square of the smaller number, which is smaller number, y, and y square equal to is having 4 times the larger number, 4 into x. So both are the quadratic equation form, but two unknowns, two variables, two equations we have. So from there, easily from 1 and 2, means in the equation 1, instead of y square we can write 4x. So ultimately we get what? X square minus 4x equal to 45. Or you can say x square minus 4x minus 45 equal to 0. If you do the factorization there, 9 5 45 means x minus 9 into x plus 5. So ultimately x equal to 9 or x equal to minus 5. That will not be taken. Okay. So therefore, larger number is equal to 9 and smaller number क्या होगा? Smaller number y square, positive square root if we take, so y square become 4 9, that is 36. So ultimately positive square root only if you have taken, it will be 6. So smaller number to be 6. So check once, just checking our answer is correct or not. 9 square, 81 minus 36, 45 you will get. Or 6 square, 36 equal to 4 into 9. That is also 36. So both the equations are satisfied by this set of number. So in this way, one more important type of problem, that is the 2-digit problems. 2-digit problem means we know the number contains 2 digits, 1 digit and 10 digit. In the equation of linear equation also, in two variable we have discussed those type of problems. Here also first we will suppose like that one. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digit. So a 2-digit numbers means क्या होता है? You will have the 2 digit, 10 digit, 1 or unique digit जो भी बोलो. So suppose if it is 10 digit be x and 1 digit be y, then the number to be what? What is the process to write the number? 10 into 10 plus, just suppose if you have 36, what we can write? 3 into 10 plus 6. So like this form it will be written 10 into x plus y. So like this one, question देखो, एक 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digit. Let the 2-digit number, 2-digit not, you will say particular order of the digit. Let the 10 digit be x and unit or one digit by. Therefore, the original number is equal to 10x plus y. First, you will do this one. Then go through the condition according to the question. See, two-digit number is means equal. Two-digit number which one? 10x plus y is equal to. What is that? Two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digit. 4 times, means 4 into sum of the digit. Which are the digits? X and y are the digits. First you got this one. And second condition also you are having, and the twice the product of its digit. Means 2-digit number in. So first of all, from there you are getting one equation you will get, and 2-digit number means 10x plus y is equal to how many times it is given? That twice the products of its digit. So 2 into xy. So see, two variable, two equation. So you will be able to solve those. But see here, it is the linear equation in here, and this one is the quadratic equation, 2 into xy, quadratic equation. So if you have this type of problems, one linear, one quadratic equation, so it is simple one, the substitution method to be done. You have to convert the equation into one variable only, quadratic. So what you will do, from linear equation you have to get the relation between x and y. So that's why what we are doing, from 1 we get, देखो तो 10x plus y equal to 4x plus 4y. 4x if you have taken that side, so 6x equal to y you have taken 3y. So both sides 3 से यदि काट ले, so 2x equal to y. Then put y equal to 2x into, from first you will find and then substitute in the second equation. Then what you will get? Check that one. Y, instead of y you will write 2x. Where you have 10x plus 2x equal to 2 into x into 2x. 12x equal to 2x square, no 4x square ultimately. 2x into 2x, 4x square. So if you solve, you will get x, 4x if you have taken common, so ultimately x minus 3 equal to 0. So what you are getting, x equal to 0 or x equal to 3. X equal to 0 or x equal to 3. But what is x? X the 10 digit. So 10 digit cannot be 0 for 2-digit number. So therefore, since x cannot be equal to 0, so therefore x will be what? X is equal to 3. After that, just one line I write that. Then you are getting x equal to 3. If x equal to 3, from there see y equal to 2x, so you are getting y equal to 6. So x equal to 3, y equal to 6. This number only. So it is coming 36. Or if you put here, therefore required number is equal to 10 into 3 plus 6, or you can say 36. 1. 36 is the number. Is it satisfying both the condition or not? Check your question. Answer. 3, 6, 36. The original number is 36. Bola 4 times the sum of the digit. 3 and 6, sum 9, 9 for 36. Satisfying. And the number 36 is 2 times the product of the digit. 3 and 6 if you multiply you will get 18, 2, then it will be 36 also. Okay, so in this way up to 2-digit problems we have done, and in this book up to question number 28 means from the last question how much we have given, after that up to 28 means mainly if we say the question from 12 to 28 will be done from the exercise 4E. The question number 12 to 28 from exercise 4E to be completed. Okay, thank you. You will complete that one.